Welcome to this exciting initiative, brought to you by LA Plage Metaverse, in collaboration with Skillcraft Training Academy and BEW Training Academy. We've joined forces to bring you an invaluable course that's designed to simplify basic life support, making it accessible and easy to understand for everyone. Our partnership is unique, bringing together a powerhouse of knowledge and experience from three reputable organizations: LA Plage Metaverse, known for its innovative approach to learning; Skillcraft Training Academy, a leader in practical skills training; and BEW Training Academy, a stalwart in the field of emergency response training. Together, we have curated this course with the intention to demystify basic life support, breaking it down into digestible, easy-to-grasp segments. This collaboration aims to empower you with the skills to make a real difference in an emergency situation. Dive right into what basic life support is. At its core, basic life support, often abbreviated as BLS, is a level of medical care used during emergencies until the victim can receive full medical attention at a hospital. It's a critical skill set, encompassing measures and techniques that can save lives in the absence of advanced medical care. Now, why is it so important? Imagine you're at a restaurant and a fellow diner starts choking, or perhaps you're at a family gathering and a loved one suddenly collapses. These are situations where every second counts, and BLS can be the crucial difference between life and death. It's about keeping the heart and lungs functioning to maintain circulation and oxygenation, preserving life until more advanced help arrives. So it's not just a set of skills, it's a lifeline in emergency situations. Understanding basic life support is the first step towards becoming an effective first responder. Now that we have a grasp on what basic life support is, it's time to delve into its key components. Let's break them down into 5 easy-to-understand steps. First and foremost, ensuring safety is the top priority. Whether you're a passerby or a healthcare professional, it is crucial to ensure your safety and the safety of others before you step in to provide aid. This could mean moving the person to a safer location if necessary, or making sure there's no immediate danger, such as fire or traffic. The second step is to call for help. Alerting medical professionals as soon as possible is vital. If you're alone, make the call yourself. If there are others around, direct someone to call emergency services. The sooner help is on the way, the better the chances for the individual in distress. Next, we assess responsiveness. This involves checking if the person is conscious and responsive. You can do this by gently shaking the person and asking loudly, "Are you okay?" If there's no response, we move to the next step. The fourth component is initiating chest compressions. This step is critical in keeping the blood circulating in the person's body, particularly to the brain and heart. Place your hands one on top of the other in the center of the person's chest and push hard and fast at a rate of around 100 to 120 compressions per minute. The final key component of basic life support is providing rescue breaths. If trained and able, give 2 rescue breaths after every 30 chest compressions. Tilt the person's head back, pinch the nose shut, and breathe into their mouth until you see the chest rise. Remember, if you're not comfortable giving rescue breaths or aren't trained to do so, continuous chest compressions can still be life-saving. These 5 steps form the backbone of basic life support and can significantly improve the survival chances of an individual in an emergency. Knowing the theory is one thing, but applying it is another. So let's dive right into the practical application of basic life support. It's a cold, hard fact that emergencies don't come with a warning, and when they do occur, they can be quite chaotic. But amidst this chaos, it's crucial to keep your cool. Your ability to remain composed and systematically follow the BLS steps can literally mean the difference between life and death. Imagine a scenario: you're at a bustling shopping mall and suddenly a person collapses. The first thing you do is ensure your safety and then check the safety of the scene. It's important to avoid becoming another casualty. Next, you check the person's responsiveness. Are they conscious? Are they breathing? If they're unresponsive and not breathing or only gasping, it's time to call for help. When calling for help, remember to be clear and specific. Tell the emergency services where you are and what's happening. While help is on the way, you'd start chest compressions. Place the heel of your hand on the center of the person's chest. Then place the other hand on top. Interlock your fingers and start pressing hard and fast. Aim for a rate of about 100 to 120 compressions per minute. After 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths. Tilt the person's head back slightly to open the airway, pinch the nose closed and breathe into the mouth. The chest should rise with each breath. Continue these cycles of compressions and breaths until help arrives. It's also worth noting that if an automated external